So this is supposed to be the Mercure Hotel. Buti na lang, wala masyadong fog. It's still foggy, but at least it's much better now. Alright, so let's go inside the church. Meron palang church dito. Napakaganda ng Bana Hills. Yes. Iti mga puno, magaganda. Maganda tong simbahan na to So our hotel is just right beside the church as we enter. Wow, ganda. It's a very, very nice church. Pwede palang mag-wedding dito Oh, look at this. Ganda. Ganda ng simbahan niya, Berna. Pwede ba mag-wedding dito? Si Berna, busy na naman sa cellphone. Let's go. Ganda ng simbahan. Very nice. Yes. Ang ganda pala nitong lugar na to, no? Yun nga lang. Panay fog lang, Ito, nasa labas na tayo ng church. Wow, piti music. 5 o'clock, very foggy. Ganda. Dapat magpunta yung mga anak natin dito, Berna. It's very nice. So romantic. Ganda. Siguro sa gabi mas maganda pa kasi ilaw na lang makikita mo rito. Ayan, yung simbahan. And then that's our hotel, Mercure. Berna, I'm going back here. Sasama ka? Oo, babalik ako rito. Ang ganda ng lugar na to. Oh, ganda. This place is beautiful. And so many restaurants. Pero isa lang hotel. Ganda talaga ng aming hotel. Mercure, French architecture. Says Festival 2025. Feeling mo talaga para ka nasa Europe pag nandito ka sa Bana Hills. Sikat. Suncraft Beer. Diyan yung mga ibang tao rito nagde-day trip lang. Buti lang kami.
Hello, madam.
Buti lang kami. 3 nights. Wow! Nice music. Oh, may Starbucks pala dun. And there's a windmill on top. Ang galing naman ng music on the background. Ano, Berna, nakita mo na yung restaurant?
Ginugugol map ko.
Ginugoogle mo pa?
Kasi...
That's supposed to be nasa tabi-tabi lang yan Wow, ito naman kaya. Ano kaya ito, Berna, Berna, nawawala na tayo.
mukhang wala ang tao.
Oh, wow. Mas maganda pala pagka gabi na, Binuksan yung mga ilaw. Okay, that's our hotel and the church. Okay, finally, nakita mo yung restaurant. This is the restaurant. Oh, they have steak. Mukhang masarap. Ano yan? Mukhang mura?
620 daw yung ribeye.
Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so let's check out the restaurant. Mura daw, sabi ni Madam Berna. Oh, it's part of Mercure, Hotel de Marseille. Oh, place looks nice. This is France second city. Ganda ng mga photos ng France. Wow, this would be a nice place to have dinner, Berna. Oh, wow. Steak looks good. Oh, even the fish looks yummy. Yun, nakupo na si Madam Berna. Okay. So tayong first customer, Berna. We're the first customer. So dito tayo. Dalawa lang tayo eh.
Naka-reserve na to sa atin.
Okay, dalawa lang tayo.
Pumunta pa tayo.
Ganda ng decor niya. Hello. Is your steak yummy? Your steak good?
Yeah,
Okay.
you stick good and spaghetti.
Oh, they have tenderloin, Mama Berna. My favorite. Okay, so it's Australian beef, 200 grams for 600,000 dong.
Not cheap.
Huh?
Not cheap here.
This looks good. What were you saying, Mama Berna?
Ang signature niya, grilled duck.
Grilled duck? Wow, sarap din yun. Oh, there, signature daw yung yung duck. Everything looks good.
Yes,
Oh, wow.
everything.
So hard to order. Oh, wow, appetizer, oyster,
Australian
Rockefeller.
beef tenderloin.
Meron din sila. Yan, ang oysters. Wow, meron din siyang escargot. Oh my God. Ikaw nang bahala. Galing naman itong restaurant na to. Huh? Food here
Anong
looks
salad roll?
so yummy. Wow, petty salad niya.
Yeah, probably.
Masarap. Baka naman sa picture lang mukhang masarap, ha? Wow, signature grilled duck. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng open kitchen niya, oh. Wow, even
For the
cocktails.
welcome drink.
Welcome drink?
Yeah.
Okay, para libre. We're gonna use our welcome drink.
Sa-
So, what are the choices for the welcome drink? Ikaw, what did you order for the welcome drink?
Welcome drink.
What did you order nga?
Me white wine.
White wine. So, what are the choices
One
for the
white.
welcome drink?
Welcome to the you Hawaii, you only Tapanelo.
Oh, you have gin and tonic? Gin tonic?
Yeah, gin and tonic.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
All right, sige, gin tonic.
Gin tonic.
Okay na ako.
They're ready? Ready?
Baka malito na yan, ha?
White,
What?
red white.
Drink
Ang
one.
ganda ng lugar na to, Berna. Kakailab tong place na to. Dito sa Bana Hills. For sure, babalik ako rito.
Oh, wow. So big the salad. The big salad. Sure.
Sauce,
Okay.
yeah.
What's my gin tonic? Oh, that. Thank you. Come on, Berna. Bago ka kumain. Cheers to the good life. Yeah. All right. Now you can drink. Oh, wow. French onion soup. Looks good. My favorite ko, French onion. Oh, what's coming next? What is it?
Escargot,
Escargot. Oh, wow.
yes.
Oh my God, that really looks good. Escargot. For sure, we're gonna eat snails, Berna. Oh, it's the duck. Oh my God. Uy, naku, mukhang yummy yung duck niya. That really looks good.